Hey friends and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Steam and unexpected error has occurred. Your purchase has not been completed. Before you are begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Now for the all steps one by one to fix this problem. Let's go ahead the first step. Restart your Steam. So for this, go to the your Windows search bar and type Task Manager. Click on the Task Manager. Then find and select the task manager and right click on it and click on the end task. After that, go to the start menu, click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click here to restart your system. Once it restart, then you can check it your Steam to purchase. If this try to does not working, then go to the next step. Check the VPN or proxy server. So for this, if you are using a VPN or proxy connection, disable it temporarily. Steam may be block the purchase when it detecting VPN usage due to the reason or security restriction. After turning off the VPN or proxy, restart your Steam and making the purchase again. Then your problem definitely fix it. If this try to does not working, then go to the next step. Contact support directly in Steam. So if there still appear issues related to the Steam account, payment methods, or Steam servicer, go to the official Steam support page, then log into your account, submit the support tickets explaining the purchase error. Steam support team will help the resolve the issues from the side. After that, wait few hours or few days. After that, your problem fix it. If you have any doubt, comment section go to comment. I will reply. Let me know whether this method worked or not. And don't forget subscribe and like. If you want more gaming and technical issues videos like this, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.